Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tara. Today is December challenge number 15. So that is smoky eyes. So I've decided to go with a, not saying natural, but like some brown tones or nude tones. And I'm going in with Jeffree Star's Orgy palette. There's lots of different shades in here, and I'll put a little picture above, or I'll attempt to anyway. So I'm just going to jump in and get started. I've got my P. Louise eye primer. Turn my light on, maybe that'll help. And I've already done my skincare routine, but it's been a while since I've done like a super smoky look, so we're just gonna kind of roll with it. But I think this will be a somewhat easy challenge, hopefully, fingers crossed. Because I've done this before, and I like when I have a little experience to be able to do maybe a get ready with me or follow along, or is usually with the challenge I can't do that because it's just that it's a challenge. I can't tell you to do this or do that because some things, you know, I'm still learning myself. But this is one of the things that, you know, I have tried before. So if you would like to get ready with me, yeah, follow along. Okay. Now I'm just going to dive right in, grab my crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Blowout. A little fallout in the pan, so make sure to tap out. It's a nice shade. And I got my microphone in, so it should be easier to hear me, but very pretty color. I don't know why it always looks darker on one eye than the other. Why do I always do that? Okay, next, that seems to have went on pretty good. Next, I'm going to grab a just regular shadow brush. This one I'm using is by Sephora. And I'm going to jump into the shade Bottom. Going right into the center of my lid. Right up to the crease. Very pretty colors. I think we'll be able to make this work today. Gonna have to get a blending brush because, again, I've applied too much on one eye and it looks darker than the other. But maybe that's just me. It might just be me. See, this is one of my favorite brushes. It says Pack and Shade by Luxie 205, but right now I'm going to use it as a blending brush. Okay, that worked. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M506 And I'm going to go in with the shade. Let's try Invitation Only. I really think that's a nice color. I'm going to go on the outside of the lid here. I think for the smoked out look, I'm definitely going to need a blending brush. And then I'm probably going to go in with one shade darker at the very, very end. But right now, I want this to kind of have a little more depth. So I'm going over that last shade just a smidge to get them to blend together. Get my blending brush back. That's working. Working very well. Now I want to take a Morphe. It doesn't say what number it is. It came in a pack with like 3 other brushes, but it's a short, fluffy brush. And let's try the shade. Oh, Orgy, the name of the palette. I guess this must be the shade. So we're going in. I can't believe I'm saying these words. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you tap out real good because we're just going to use a little bit on the very, very end here. Not quite the brown it looks like in the pan. It has a little bit more, to me, of a gray-ish tone or hue than it looks. I was looking for just a really dark brown, but we can make this work. Blending brush. And this is an all matte palette, so I'm going to have to go in with something else to get me a highlight up on my brow. So let me, know where one of my ochres is. I don't want to say, let me hunt it down. I know exactly where it is. I just need to grab it. How's it looking, guys? Grab my Ofra Miami Mini Mix Face Palette. Here's the colors. I'm going to probably use the champagne colored one in the bottom here in the middle, called Ocean Drive Highlighter. Let's see, grab a brush like this. It's kind of like that other Morphe brush, only it's not tapered. It's kind of fluffy. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That goes with that very well. You can always count on Ofra to give you a good highlighter. I love Ofra for highlighters. They are my favorite. Okay, get once over in the crease with your blending brush. Okay, now I think what I want to do is I really like that color. So I think I'm going to take a small, this says it's a crease brush by Posh. This is a really old brush, but it's just small tapered brush. I'm going to go in with that same highlighter and go in my inner corner. Okay, I think that looks really good. Again, I'm gonna go over my center here with the blending brush. And I think it's starting at, I think it looks great. I just need to get some mascara on. I will not be using false lashes today. Probably going to go with the flow and the theme of the palette and go with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and primer. Probably in waterproof, simply because it's raining today, and if I have to leave the house, then at least my mascara won't run. So let me put on some mascara and also maybe some color corrector and foundation, concealer, powder, that whole thing, and I'll come back and we'll get me some bronzer and cheek color and lip color to match all this and see how the final look turns out. So we're going to go into fast forward for a minute and get this done. Okay, I've got some work done now. Let's move on to bronzer. I'm going in with my Too Faced Natural Chocolate Bronzer in the shade Golden Cocoa. And I love this one, it actually smells like chocolate. Put a little color back in my face here. And I'm also going to use this as my contour. Man, that smells good. Okay, and for blush, an old favorite of mine, which I've been using since I was probably like 14 years old. It's just your typical drugstore brand by CoverGirl in the shade Natural Glow. And here's, yeah, been using that a long time. So I'm going to use my new Luxie 514 blush brush that I got. Oh wow, that's very soft. I like that. And I don't know what it is about CoverGirl makeup that it all smells like Noxema. Have you ever noticed that? Maybe it's just me. Okay. Now, let's see here. Get rid of some of these brushes that are in my way. And I want a highlighter, so I need a highlighter brush. Get my microphone out of the way. Oh goodness, that's what's wrong. I don't have my microphone on. I hope that doesn't mess up the video, and I hope I can fix the audio on that before I get this posted. But where was I? Blush, highlighter. That's right, I needed a highlighter. So I'm just going to take a Luxie Pro Precision tapered brush. It's 640. Really like this, fluffy. And I'm going to go in to that same Ofra palette and use the shade Ocean Drive, which used it on my eyes. I think it's really pretty. I want to use it on my cheeks here. Oh wow, that's very, very pretty. really like this look today, guys. Other than I'm having a bad hair day. But if you ever seen one of my episodes of Tame Taurus Tangles, you'd know that most of my days are bad hair days. Short, fluffy brush like that. I'm going in with that Ofra highlighter Magic City that was at the top. And I'm going to go right here. There we go. Okay. I think it's coming together. I just need to pick a lip. All right, I found a lip liner and a lip crayon and a lip gloss that we're gonna go with. So let me put on my little close-up mirror here. I've got a lip pencil by Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in the shade Pinky Brown. Okay. And I decided to go in with a Marc Jacobs lip crayon in Burn Notice. I think Snapshot is the kind of lip crayon it is. Okay, a little dark. I think I need a lip brush by MAC 316. I've had this one a long time. Now on top of that, I've got a gloss that I want to use by Nabla Shine Theory lip gloss in the shade RSVP. It's a real pretty bronzy kind of shade. Very creamy. Need my lip brush back. Oops. It's been a problem with me lately, applying way too much. Okay. There we go. Let's move this out of the way. Get my hair out of these clips. And on to a final look. Wow, I got some bags today. Can't tell that I didn't get much sleep last night, can you? So, other than, like I said, other than the bad hair day, this is my final look. Oh my goodness, what a bad hair day. But it's the weather. I'm blaming it on the weather. So, I don't know. Did I nail it or fail it? Smoky look. What do you think? Well, that is it for today. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for notifications when my new videos come out. And if you would, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below because it really helps me out. So with that, I wish everyone a fabulous day. And thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.